Well, I think like no matter how many times I do this, the first day of school always gives me like first day of school jitters. I can't like help it. But it's like this exciting first day of school jitters because you don't know what to expect. And we've missed this for so long. It's like, I'm ready. I'm ready to jam out. I'm ready to get like all of this energy out that's been piled in for months and months that I'm ready to give to my students.
Ailita, are you ready? Which one? 1, 2, or 3? 3?
For their first day, I just want them to know that this is their space. This is their space to grow. This is their space to learn. I want them to learn how to use their environment in a safe way. And of course, that's gonna take practice. Finding ways to create like a safe space in our classroom that's still fun and welcoming for everybody and that doesn't feel like a hospital, you know? It's still school and it's still fun and we still want it to feel like that. Now we can put all the things that we've learned virtually to practice, and we can also start to learn about each other in different ways, you know, learn about each other's cultures, learn about each other's languages, and I think that's a beautiful thing in preschool is we're able to take that minute and step outside of ourselves and see that there's a whole world waiting for me. I'm ready and there's so many things out there for me, and that's what preschool is all about, you know? Your learning adventure is just getting started.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Follow Sergi, go get him, go get him!
I'm not just helping students, I'm helping families realize the potential in their students. It's like the most beautiful feeling when families are able to come to you and say, I can see the difference in my student, I can see the confidence in their skills, and that tops everything. It's amazing.